Imagine two silver coins giving you $24,000 in 10 years. Stay to the end as I go through this video with you, and I'm going to explain what is happening with silver and why it's the people's gold. So just imagine that just yesterday silver was priced at $33.45 per ounce, and today it is now at $34.14. Now I know that doesn't seem like much, but in one day for silver to make that leap, it's a significant jump, and in just 24 hours as well. So what is driving this surge? Could silver be the path to $70 per ounce or even higher? Let's dive into the factors that's fueling this momentum right now as we speak. So silver recently unticked, and you were thinking, okay, so it was unticked, it was going down, but now it's upticked, and it is happening in isolation. Gold has been a steady climb, and silver often follows, as I say, the tortoise that wins the race. But this time, silver has really moved up sharply, including and indicating a potential breakout, as I mentioned in the video yesterday. So Michael Oliver from the Years in Structural Analysis, he suggests that the rise in silver and gold is less about short-term events and more about long-term financial issues. Like I said to you, I'm not in this silver buying for a quick flip. I'm in here for the long haul. This is my retirement strategy. And Michael Oliver, he points out that the weakening US bond market and the potential aggressive monetary policies as a catalyst. Oliver predicts that silver could surge to $60-70 per ounce, driven by these underlying issues. So silver versus gold. Now, while gold is traditionally seen as the safe haven, so is silver. Silver has dual roles though, so it's a bit more special than gold. So both are precious metals as we know it, and with silver it is also an industrial component. This dual demand could position silver to really outperform gold in the coming months, because silver is being used for solar panels, it's being used for military defense, it is for weapons, it is being used for electronic vehicles, it's being used for technology that we use, medical equipment. So it is being used as our everyday need, for example. So it has a dual purpose, but the demand is rising. The demand is far outweighing what it can supply. In 2007, I used to do scrap gold and silver, and I used to buy them 30% less than the spot price. So there was quite a big profit on that, for example. But according to the experts, there's not enough recycled gold and silver to meet the demands, especially with silver. So unfortunately there wasn't enough mining of silver due to silver seeming like the poor relative, but really silver is the people's gold in my eyes. So silver's industrial application are vast. From solar panels, like I said to you, to electronics. And as these industries grow, which they are, the demand for silver is adding to another layer to its value proposition. So, Florida recently passed the law to recognize gold and silver as a legal tender, exempting them from state sales tax, for example. So, this move really reflects its growing trend, and states are seeking financial sovereignty and could influence this silver demand and its value. Look, Costco are selling gold and silver. You can buy it in the supermarkets, for example. That's how much is starting to come out. It's like it's coming out so that we can see it more, rather than being hidden and provided for the wealthy that were buying them by the tons. Not the ounce, but by the tons. So, on a personal note, from my point, I've allocated a portion of my monthly YouTube revenue for purchasing silver over time. And this strategy aims for me to build a substantial potential, yielding significant returns in the value of silver as it appreciates. I am looking at this as my retirement fund, because with all the stock markets crashing and bonds, etc., commercial property selling off at cheap prices, what is the effect of that going to be for our pensions? Because that's what the investments were in those types of property, real estate, commercial real estate. Even Macy's have sold a load of their commercial real estate. So, looking at this, I'm looking for financial stability, and I'm sure you are too. So, to me, silver really presents that opportunity, and it is worth considering. So, stay informed, stay prepared, and consider the role that silver can play in your financial future, like what I'm doing. If you have found this video insightful, please do like and subscribe and share for more updates on silver and other investment opportunities. Now, I would like to say that I am not a financial advisor. Any financial advice when you're looking at investing, you need to speak to an expert who deals with financial investments for large investments, for example. So, what do you think? Are you stacking currently at the moment, or is it something that you're considering? Look, the Bank of America, they've predicted that silver will be at $50 per ounce. But Michael Oliver is saying $60, $70 per ounce, but also is saying that it's going to double what it is now, for example. And we could even see it treble. So I think that's an exciting prospect for us to look forward to. My YouTube check that I get every month on the 21st of every month, I am buying 2 to 3 silver coins. And in 10 years' time, that will be amounting to, if it's valued at $100, for example, per ounce, will be $24,000. That will be a great buffer for my retirement, for the shortfall that I'm going to be faced with. Some of you are retiring this year, well, was looking to retire this year, but are having to put off your retirement to another year or 2 years because of the loss on your retirement fund, for example, due to the stock market crashing several times. So this is my way really of securing my future, because I'm the one in control of it. So it's something that I've made a decision to do, and I want to share my story with you to encourage you to do the same. So I'd love to hear your comments. Comment below if you are stacking, or comment below that you're about to start. Check the links out and you will get my free 10-year stacking tool, which you'll be able to put your own amounts that you're buying each month and just watch it grow, because this is what it's all about. The people's gold is, to me, is silver. Silver, can't go wrong with it. So have a wonderful day, everyone, and I will speak to you in the next video. Please do like and subscribe and join me for the next video. I will speak with you soon. Take care, everyone. Thank you. Bye.